Imagine turning on your computer in 2026 and feeling something rare in the tech world today. Calm. No pop-ups begging for subscriptions, no forced updates breaking your workflow. No hardware suddenly declared obsolete, and no system that feels like it's spying on you. Instead, your desktop feels fast, familiar, powerful, and quietly confident. That's the experience many users are rediscovering with PCLinuxOS, a Linux distribution that has been flying under the radar for years, yet in 2026 feels more relevant than ever. Whether you're a complete beginner who just wants a system that works out of the box, or an experienced Linux user who values stability, control, and performance over hype, PCLinuxOS might just surprise you in the best possible way. PCLinuxOS is not new, and that's actually one of its biggest strengths. In a Linux ecosystem where new distros appear every month and disappear just as quickly, PCLinuxOS has quietly matured. It's been around since the early 2000s, built on a rolling release model long before rolling releases became trendy. In 2026, when users are tired of reinstalling operating systems every 6 months or dealing with half-finished experiments, this distro feels refreshingly grounded. It's designed with one simple philosophy in mind: give users a complete, polished desktop experience that just works without unnecessary complexity. From the moment you boot into PCLinuxOS, the focus on usability is obvious. The installer is straightforward, graphical, and beginner-friendly, yet it never feels dumbed down. You can install it in minutes, even if you've never touched Linux before. Hardware detection is excellent, which is especially important in 2026 as people use a mix of older laptops, custom PCs, and newer machines with modern components. Graphics cards, Wi-Fi adapters, sound devices, printers, and Bluetooth hardware are detected with impressive accuracy, reducing the usual Linux anxiety of, will my hardware work? Once installed, the desktop greets you with a sense of familiarity. PCLinuxOS traditionally shines with KDE Plasma, and in 2026 KDE Plasma is at its best. Sleek, fast, customizable, and stable. The layout feels instantly recognizable to users coming from Windows, making the transition smooth and stress-free. Start menu, taskbar, system tray, desktop icons. Everything is exactly where your muscle memory expects it to be. This alone makes PCLinuxOS a fantastic choice for beginners, students, office workers, and even seniors who don't want to relearn how to use a computer. But don't let that familiarity fool you. Under the hood, PCLinuxOS is powerful. It uses a rolling release model, which means once you install it, you don't need to reinstall again for major upgrades. Instead of jumping from version to version, the system continuously updates with new software, security patches, and improvements. In 2026, when people value long-term systems that evolve with them, this approach feels both modern and practical. You install once, update regularly, and keep working without disruption. One of the most underrated strengths of PCLinuxOS is its package management. It uses apt2, the same trusted package system found in Debian and Ubuntu, but with its own carefully curated repositories. This combination offers the reliability of apt2 with the consistency of a tightly controlled ecosystem. Software installation is simple, fast, and safe. You're not constantly hunting for third-party repositories or broken packages. The PCLinuxOS team focuses heavily on stability, so updates are tested before reaching users, reducing the risk of system-breaking surprises. For beginners, this means peace of mind. You don't need to understand dependencies, repositories, or terminal commands to get things done. The graphical package manager lets you browse, install, update, and remove software with a few clicks. For experts, the terminal is always there, powerful and responsive, allowing full control over the system. This balance between simplicity and power is what makes PCLinuxOS special. It doesn't force you into complexity, but it never locks you out of it either. Performance is another area where PCLinuxOS truly shines in 2026. While many modern operating systems continue to grow heavier and more resource-hungry, PCLinuxOS remains efficient. It runs beautifully on older hardware, breathing new life into laptops and desktops that might struggle with Windows 11 or other bloated systems. At the same time, it scales effortlessly on modern machines, taking full advantage of multi-core CPUs, fast SSDs, and large amounts of RAM. Boot times are quick, applications launch instantly, and the system remains responsive even under heavy workloads. This makes PCLinuxOS an excellent choice for a wide range of users. Students can use it on budget laptops for coding, writing, research, and online learning. Professionals can rely on it for office work, development, design, and system administration. Home users can enjoy a smooth, stable desktop for browsing, media consumption, and everyday tasks. And power users can customize every aspect of the system to fit their exact workflow. Software availability in 2026 is no longer a concern for Linux users, and PCLinuxOS is no exception. Out of the box, it includes everything most people need: a modern web browser, Office suite, media players, file managers, system tools, and utilities. Multimedia support is particularly strong, with codecs pre-configured so you can play your music and videos immediately without extra setup. This is a huge win for beginners who often struggle with multimedia on other distros. For creators and professionals, PCLinuxOS supports a wide range of applications, from development tools and programming languages to graphic design, video editing, and audio production software. Flatpak and app image support further expand the software ecosystem, allowing you to run the latest applications without compromising system stability. In 2026, this hybrid approach feels like the best of both worlds: a stable-based system with access to cutting-edge apps when you need them. Security is another area where PCLinuxOS quietly excels. Linux is already known for its strong security model, but PCLinuxOS adds an extra layer of confidence through sensible defaults and regular updates. You're not bombarded with intrusive security prompts, yet the system remains protected against modern threats. For everyday users, this means you can browse, work, and communicate online without constantly worrying about malware or ransomware. For advanced users, the system provides the tools needed to fine-tune security policies and network settings. One of the most refreshing aspects of PCLinuxOS in 2026 is its respect for the user. There's no telemetry collecting your data, no ads in the operating system, and no corporate agenda pushing you toward paid services. The system belongs to you. You decide how it looks, how it behaves, what software it runs, and when it updates. In an era where digital privacy is becoming increasingly important, this sense of ownership is incredibly valuable. The community behind PCLinuxOS is another hidden gem. It may not be the largest Linux community, but it's one of the most dedicated and helpful. Forums are active, friendly, and welcoming to newcomers. Questions are answered with patience, not arrogance. Developers interact directly with users, listening to feedback and fixing issues. This human touch is something many larger projects have lost over time, and it makes a real difference, especially for beginners who might feel intimidated elsewhere. Customization is where PCLinuxOS truly opens up for expert users. KDE Plasma in 2026 is a customization powerhouse, and PCLinuxOS lets you take full advantage of it. You can tweak themes, icons, layouts, animations, shortcuts, and workflows to create a desktop that feels uniquely yours. Whether you prefer a minimalist setup, a macOS-style dock, a Windows-like layout, or something entirely custom, PCLinuxOS adapts to you, not the other way around. For developers, PCLinuxOS provides a clean, stable environment for coding in multiple languages. Compilers, interpreters, editors, and IDEs are readily available. Containers, virtualization tools, and server software can be installed with ease. The rolling release model ensures access to relatively recent toolchains without sacrificing system stability, which is a delicate balance many distros struggle to achieve. Gamers will also find plenty to love in PCLinuxOS in 2026. Linux gaming has come a long way, and PCLinuxOS benefits from that progress. With support for modern graphics drivers, Steam, Proton, and other gaming platforms, thousands of games are playable with excellent performance. The lightweight nature of the system means more resources are available for games, resulting in smoother gameplay, especially on mid-range hardware. For those coming from Windows, the transition to PCLinuxOS feels surprisingly smooth. File management, software installation, system settings, and daily workflows feel intuitive. You're not forced to learn everything at once. You can start using the system immediately and gradually explore deeper features as your confidence grows. This gentle learning curve is one of the reasons PCLinuxOS stands out as an ultimate Linux OS for both beginners and experts. In 2026, many people are rethinking their relationship with technology. They want systems that serve them, not the other way around. They want reliability instead of constant change, control instead of restrictions, and simplicity without sacrificing power. PCLinuxOS fits perfectly into this mindset. It doesn't chase trends or marketing buzzwords. It focuses on doing the basics exceptionally well and letting users build on top of that foundation. Perhaps the most impressive thing about PCLinuxOS is how quietly confident it is. It doesn't shout about being revolutionary, yet it delivers a refined, dependable experience that many newer distros struggle to match. It proves that you don't need to reinvent the wheel to create a great operating system. You just need to respect your users, value stability, and focus on quality. As we move deeper into 2026, PCLinuxOS stands as a reminder of what Linux does best. Freedom, flexibility, performance, and community, all wrapped in a system that feels welcoming rather than overwhelming. It's a distro that grows with you. You can start as a beginner, using it like any other desktop OS, and over time unlock its deeper potential as your skills evolve. Few operating systems manage to strike that balance so effectively. So whether you're looking to escape the limitations of mainstream operating systems, revive an old computer, learn Linux without frustration, or settle into a long-term stable desktop that respects your choices, PCLinuxOS deserves your attention in 2026. It may not be the loudest name in the Linux world, but sometimes the best experiences are the ones that don't need to shout. PCLinuxOS simply works, and in today's chaotic tech landscape, that might just be the ultimate feature of all.